Welcome to GCU, College of Engineering and Technology.
Engineering is such a broad field. You have so many opportunities and so many different avenues that you can explore.
We care about you. All of the programs, all of the offerings, the things that we do is to help you find your purpose. Our shops, woodworking, metalworking. We have dedicated spaces for capstones. When you get into that capstone learning environment, you've got dedicated lab space.
The focus of engineering that I chose was mechanical engineering technology. It was very hands-on, and I'm a very hands-on person, so it hit a lot of the things that I was interested in doing in the engineering world.
I started as general engineering, but about a semester in, I knew that I was going to want to specify, and I ended up going with mechanical because mechanical is very broad. You can do so many things with mechanical, and I knew that a lot of employers will want to hire mechanical engineers even for other kinds of engineering positions. And then also mechanical engineering is just cool because you're dealing with how things work together, how things move. You're doing a lot of the math behind things, but also getting to see how that physically plays out, which I thought is really interesting.
One of my favorite engineering projects that I've worked on is making a little car. I had to build the chassis, I had to install all the gears and the motor and arrange it in such a manner that it was able to run in a racetrack.
One class that we had, it was called Engineering, Design, and Prototyping. Throughout the course of the whole semester, we designed and did prototyping and developed a board game. At the end of the semester, every group comes out with like a really cool professionally printed board game. And so that was just really cool to kind of learn the project process from start to finish in the area of a board game.
I've recently accepted an internship with Harder Mechanical as a quality control engineer intern. So I will be making sure that the work on the work site is being done properly and is being done up to code and up to standards.
So for one of my classes, my professor would have guest speakers come, and they would be people from the field of engineering. A lot of them were for startup companies, and so it was really cool to hear from all those people and just learn about all the unique opportunities that you can seek through engineering and through the knowledge that we're getting at GCU. Engineering is definitely a rigorous course load, but through that comes a lot of benefits. For example, I've met such a solid group of friends and girls just who all want to do very well, and that's a common culture in engineering. So it's been fun to make study groups and just hang out. We obviously do a lot of work and it takes a lot of time, but we also can have fun doing it. So that's been a great experience.
So there's ways that you can get involved as a community, and those relationships are so important. They help you to think creatively. They help you to build your communication skills. You have the opportunity to work as a team, to really solve problems and to explore all kinds of different fields in engineering.
We also have some really great ABET-accredited programs. That's the gold standard. That's what you want to hear. Our technology side has the Center of Academic Excellence designation from the NSA, another amazing standard that we achieve here at GCU. Our faculty, our staff here, we aren't only from the sector of academia. We're from all three, government, industry, and academia. What that gives you is a broad perspective. So you go into the classroom, get the learning, but then you'll put it into practice. All of these things come together, again, to help you find your purpose. So come on out, enjoy the show.